my 91 Syclone. Swapped it as soon as I got it. It's a 4.8 LS twin 6262 Precisions. It's got a custom piston and a Lunati rod stock crank. We spin it to about 8,200. It made 1150 on the dyno on 32 pounds of boost. Pretty much everything's custom, everything's been touched. Built everything in-house in my shop, on the automotive fabrication shop. So Facebook is Wicked Fabrication, Instagram is Wicked Fabrication 4362, wicked-fab.com. Turbo 400, custom air-to-water intercooler, different twin turbo setup. It's kind of 2JZ inspired with both turbos on the side. Just wanted to build something different than the traditional twin turbo mounting. The fastest we've gone is 580 in the 8th mile. We're hoping to run it out the back today. On paper it should go 890s on paper, so it's only been on 24 pounds of boost, and we got it. Not right now, but after index is done, we're gonna turn it up to about 30, 32 and see what happens.